Hello students, so today we're going to be learning about compound probability. So this is what I've been hinting at for a few days now, how we're no longer going to be just looking at one event, but rather two events happening at the same time. So today I'm going to take the example of rolling a dice and flipping a coin. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing this out. So when we think of these two different circumstances, we know that rolling a die, you have the different possibilities of a 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 6, because there's 6 sides on a die. So we know those are all our different probabilities, or possibilities. And the probability of getting each one is 1 out of 6. That's the probability of any of the numbers is 1/6. But for flipping a coin, it's a little bit more simpler. You just have heads or tails. And so there's only two possibilities. So the probability of either of those outcomes is just 1/2, which is why we say that a coin is 50-50, because it's half and half. So today we're going to talk about what if we looked at the combination or the compound of both of these together. So there's two key words when you're doing compound probabilities. You have or, and you also have and. So now I know that this is like a language arts concept, and so you're thinking, Ms. Paiva, why are you bringing language arts into math? And you should know that these are very interchangeable. So when we think of or, you want to think of, you could have either or. So say you were going shoe shopping and you told your parents you wanted Jordans or you wanted green shoes. So that means you could have any pair of Jordans, or you could get any pair of green shoes, whether that's sneakers, Keds, Sperry's, boots, whatever you wanted, but they were green. So or kind of opens up all the possibilities. So you won't think of or as adding. You're adding together all your possibilities. So if I was to say what's the probability of rolling a 1 or a head, I would take 1/6 plus 1/2. But that's not what we're talking about today. What I really want to talk about is and. And really goes with the idea that it has to be both those things. So if you told your parents that you wanted Jordans and green shoes, your Jordans would have to be green. It's a precise thing that you want. It has to have both qualities. So if I said I wanted the probability of rolling a 1 and the probability of flipping the coin and getting a heads, I would have to multiply these two probabilities. So and means to multiply. So the probability of 1 is 1/6, and the probability of a head is 1/2. So 1/6 times 1/2 gives me 1/12. So really what that's saying is there is 12 total combinations between rolling a dice and flipping a coin, and only one of them has the combination of a 1 and a head. So to get credit for today, I need you to make sure you have down all 12 combinations of rolling a die and flipping a coin. And I want you to go ahead and email me the list of all 12 combinations. So you want to just go ahead and write it as like 1 and a head, 1 and a tail. Right there's 2 combinations. Next would be like 2 and a head, 2 and a tail. Look at that. I'm already a quarter of the way done for you. So that's your homework for today. Go ahead and get started.